Hey everyone, how's it going? So I got really behind with my videos this week and I totally missed National Donut Day. But don't worry because I've got a good, fun donut video for you today. So to make up for me missing National Donut Day, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Godzilla with a donut. So I know it's not National Donut Day, but I hope you guys still enjoy this video and follow along today. Now to start off with Godzilla with a donut, we're going to begin with the mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, and that's going to come down. Next, I'm going to make a couple little kind of wavy, pointy lines right here, and then we're going to curve it up here for a little smile. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we'll draw a line that comes down on this side. Right here, we're going to make a little curved line, and I'm going to make a little line that goes out and in, another one that goes out and in, and then one more right here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then in. Then we're going to make lines going to go up. It's going to come down and then in again. Make another one that goes down and in. And another one that's going to go down and in. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. Make a line that goes in, one that goes out and in, and then one more out and in. We're going to go down and then bring it up. We'll make another little line right here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it down here for more of the donut. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve right here. And then we're going to bring this down to here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then over. Another one's going to go down and over. And then one more is going to go down and then over. And we're going to bring it up to here. Next, we're going to just connect this right to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down a little bit. We're going to make a line that's going to go down and in. One more here, and then one more here for those feet. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down. And I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come to here. Then I'm going to bring it back down to here. You can see it's going to get a little bit bigger as it comes back down. I'm going to make the smile a little bigger, and I'm going to put a little line right up here with a little line down here. Color that in. Next, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down and up. Little line is going to go down and then up here. We're going to make a little line coming down, and we're going to color this in and just leave a little bit white. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve around.
And I'm just going to put a little curved line right in here. Then I'm just going to make a little wavy line here, and I'm going to make it come all the way down here. Then I'll make another little wavy line right here. Next, I'm going to add a couple little lines underneath the eye. And we'll make a little line that goes out and down. We'll add a couple little lines here for some details. I'm going to make two little lines right here for the nose. And a little line right over here for part of his face. We'll add another little line out here. Then I just want to give him some little spikes. We'll make a little pointed one here. We'll make a couple bigger ones out here, and you can see they're kind of spreading out a little bit more. And then down the tail, we're just going to make some smaller ones. Then we'll just add a couple quick little lines onto the bottom of the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Godzilla with a nice big donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.